This free tutorial will show you how to create an image edit fast in Capcut PC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, go to the top left hand screen and click on templates. Underneath here, click the drop down arrow and go to the For You page, and under the search bar type in Trent space edit, and then scroll down. You want to see the option of a phone, and then you want to hover over it, click, and go to the bottom right hand screen and click the blue plus icon to add to the track. And go back to the import tab, click and select the clip, and click in the middle hand screen to replace clips. And then for each clip or picture, you want to click and replace each one, and do this for the remaining ones. And then once you're happy or satisfied with all of your images, click hide, click select and highlight the video clip, go to the top right hand screen and drag this to the left and this to the left so you have muted the audio piece, and then locate on your computer or PC device a TikTok audio that you would like to replace or any audio, and click add to the track. Drag this on top, right click, click extract audio, delete the video clip. You can adjust the audio by going to the top right hand screen and moving the volume to the right as it's louder. Cut, drag to the left, and this is what we have. Completely for free in Capcut PC. Subscribe for more tutorials.